Five home workouts you can do with just a chair. Don't have time to go to the gym, so you're missing out on all your workout sessions? Nah, you don't have to do that. Just stay home, put on some music, and grab a chair. We aren't telling you to just chill, but rather you'll be using that chair as your workout equipment to firm up your belly, burn calories, and build muscles. Sounds fun? Continue watching to know about the 5 home workouts you can easily pull off with only a chair and your body. The following exercises will get your heart pumping and engage all muscles you've got. Repeat the order twice or thrice for better results. Number 1. Incline push-ups. Target core, chest, back, and arms. Put your 2 palms on the seat of the chair and walk your feet back to a plank position. Maintain a straight line of your body and bend your elbows to lower your body toward the seat. Pause, then push up using your palms to go back to the initial position. Do 10 to 15 reps of this move. Number 2. Plank knee cross. Target abs, back, and butt. Place your forearms on the seat of the chair. Take a step back until you're in a plank position. Keep your hips low, then your core tight. Then bring your right knee to the inside of your left arm. Pause for a second before going back to the start and repeating the same thing on the other leg. But this time, touch your left knee to the inside of your right arm. Do 10 to 15 reps of this move. Number 3. Standing side crunch. Target obliques, arms, and butt. Stand behind the chair and turn to the side. This way, the back of the chair is on your right side. Place your right hand on the back of the chair, then extend your left hand up and overhead, and your left leg out to the side. Point your toe while keeping your arm muscles engaged and bracing your core. All the while, simultaneously lift your leg left to the side and tap your raised heel using your left arm. Release your arm and leg. Do 10 to 15 reps before switching sides. Number 4. Standing hydrant kickbacks. Targets, abs, oblique, and butt. Position yourself a few feet behind the chair. Next, bend at the waist to put your palms on the back of the chair. Place your weight to your left heel when lifting your right leg straight up and out behind you. Don't drop your foot or knee, and bring your right knees out to the side and in to tap your right shoulder. Pause before swinging the leg back out the side, then behind you to the initial position. Do 10 to 15 reps before switching sides. Number 5. Seat taps. Target heart, legs, abs, and arms. Stand and face the front of the chair while also lifting your right arm, then tapping the seat of the chair with your left toes. Right away, bring your left foot back down to the floor. Alternate sides so you're lifting your left arm and tapping the seat with your right toes. Continue alternating taps as quickly as you can for 45 to 60 seconds. Utilize your arms for momentum and balance. What are your thoughts about these home chair exercises? Share them below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.